Exclusive. Calling spectrum prices in India absurd, Telenor's global CEO Sigve Brekke has hinted at exiting India if the company is unable to acquire more spectrum at a reasonable rate. But on the ground, the telecom operator doesn't seem to be willing to give up just yet. India CEO Shara Mehrotra has told CNBC-TV18's Prerna Baruah that they are waiting for the spectrum guidelines to be announced by the government, but he's clear on one point: the base price set for the 700 MHz spectrum, the recommendation as per the telecom regulator, is unviable.
Telenor India is also looking at all the different options, whether it is trading, M&A or a spectrum auction, and see what is best fit. However, you would know that spectrum auction guidelines are still not out. So we are eagerly waiting to see what finally guidelines comes out in terms of prices, in terms of bands available, and in terms of when exactly auction is going to happen. When we have all that, we will definitely put up the plan and see what is best suited for Telenor India. At the same time, we would of course urge the authorities to make sure that the spectrum is very affordable.
Talking about the upcoming auctions, the Telecom Commission is expected to meet on the 30th, while the telecom regulator has maintained that as far as the pricing and the quantum of the 700 megahertz band is concerned, they will maintain the pricing of 11,500 per megahertz. What do you have to say regarding this? Do you believe that this is too unviable, to bid for at this base price?
No, I think we do understand there are different steps in the process, and I think they are following these steps. But we do see that prices, especially if you look at 700 megahertz and others, they are very, very high. They are not in the affordable range.
Well, that's Telenor. They've had such an uncertain time here in India. They lost their license and they split with their partner Unitech Wireless. And once again, 4 years after they acquired spectrum and they got their transfer of assets onto Telenor, now they're facing an uncertain future again on whether they will continue to exist in India or not. But